Sweets for Treats originally started out with an idea of selling candy through a candy vending machines, and I scaled that to 30 machines and done it very successfully and got audited by a gentleman named Scott Abbott.
I was assigned an audit to do Pavel's business, Sweets for Treats. Pavel was just trying to make enough money to take care of his family, but it became more than that. It really became a very good business. I told him, I said, Pavel, I really think you need to franchise this business.
Starting the franchise, it's more about people, and I want to make sure that we do it right. Since this business has been a blessing to my family, when you share something that works with other people, it really can make a difference.
When I was at Subway, I became a development agent for Fred DeLuca. My responsibility for Fred was to develop a territory, open as many stores as I could. I didn't ever have the knowledge behind me to know exactly what it was going to take to get a franchise started. When we met with Big Sky, what was really amazing is had all the tools out there for us to make that happen.
There's a lot of companies that, approach you about franchising, and one thing about Big Sky is calm. There's not a lot of people that are old school, they're straightforward.
The professionalism was fantastic. We wanted to go to franchise right away, maybe 90 days at the most, and we were licensed in hand, ready to go.
I think what really sold me on going with Big Sky was personality, knowledge, reputation. Also from talking to many other companies, the pricing is very reasonable too.
What was really cool was the format. They have different people that actually step in and really helped us a great deal. Honestly, you're only as good as the people that you have working for you. And as we were going through every step, Big Sky made the whole operation so much easier than I ever expected because they were so informative as to what I would expect in the next step. It was really very helpful. Make the call, talk to them, make it happen. They will make it happen for you. That's all it really takes. You've just got to make that call. Simple as that.